Cancer, a word that makes anyone wary. This disease affects millions of people worldwide, and sadly, the numbers continue to rise. But did you know that nutrition plays a crucial role in cancer prevention and support treatment? Today, let's explore 10 types of foods that can help you fight this dangerous disease. According to research, 30 to 50% of cancer-related deaths are associated with avoidable risk factors, including smoking, alcohol consumption, and obesity. Fortunately, you can control your diet to minimize the risk of cancer. So, which foods offer significant benefits in cancer prevention? 1. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, kale. Cruciferous vegetables contain glucosinolate, a natural compound that helps prevent the growth of cancer cells. During digestion, glucosinolate converts into isothiocyanate, a compound proven to destroy cancer cells. Additionally, cruciferous vegetables are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. For example, just 1 cup of broccoli a day can provide you with a substantial amount of antioxidants to fight free radicals in the body. 2. Berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries. These delicious berries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and prevent cellular damage. In fact, one study indicated that consuming strawberries daily can reduce the risk of colon cancer. 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a carotenoid with potent antioxidant properties. Lycopene not only protects cells from harmful agents but also helps prevent the formation of blood vessels that nourish tumors. A daily tomato salad can contribute to long-term health maintenance. 4. Green tea. Green tea is a rich source of catechins, especially EGCG, a compound proven to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Start your day with a cup of green tea to detoxify your body and protect your health. 5. Garlic and onions. Garlic and onions belong to the allium family and contain sulfur compounds that have anti-inflammatory and cancer-preventive effects. Allicin in garlic not only kills bacteria but also helps reduce the risk of tumor formation. A small tip is to crush garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to maximize health benefits. 6. Leafy green vegetables, spinach, lettuce, bok choy. Leafy greens are rich in fiber, vitamins, and especially chlorophyll, a compound that helps eliminate toxins from the body. Regular consumption of leafy greens also helps reduce inflammation and strengthen the immune system. 7. Walnuts. Walnuts are a rich source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, a type of fat that helps reduce inflammation and prevent the growth of cancer cells. A study showed that consuming walnuts daily could reduce the risk of prostate cancer. 8. Flax seeds. Flax seeds contain lignans, a compound proven to reduce the risk of breast and prostate cancer. They also provide fiber and omega-3, which improve digestion and effectively reduce inflammation. 9. Green herbs, parsley, basil, rosemary. These herbs not only enhance the flavor of dishes but also contain many antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. For example, apigenin in parsley has been shown to reduce the risk of breast and colon cancer. 10. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound believed to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Try adding a little turmeric powder to your daily dishes to take advantage of its incredible benefits. Nutrition is an essential part of cancer prevention. However, we should not consider it the sole solution. Combining a healthy diet, a healthy lifestyle, and regular health checkups will help reduce the risk of disease. Consult with doctors or nutrition experts to have the most suitable dietary plan for you. And don't forget, every meal is an opportunity to protect your health. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful information.